and welcome to this meditation. This is the first of many meditations I plan on putting out over the next few months. I am someone who has experienced anxiety for many years, but I'm really starting to feel like I'm on track and I am really in control, but also I've distanced myself from the idea that I need to beat anxiety and that I need to focus my everyday on conquering it. Instead, I have turned to meditation, and meditation has really helped me realise that anxiety is a common emotion all humans experience and feel, and sometimes it's just acknowledging that, sitting back, processing your thoughts, and realising that you don't need to fight it, rather you can accept it and embrace it. So ideally you'll be sitting in a quiet room without any interruptions, maybe on a pillow, in soft clothing. I strongly recommend you wear headphones, and if you've got noise cancellation as an option on your headphones, definitely do that. Don't worry if your thoughts are very loud in your head at the start of this meditation or throughout, it's completely normal. If you really find the chatter in your head getting super loud and overwhelming, just focus on your breath, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing in this meditation. A very simple breath-focused meditation. So I'd like you to get comfortable. Sitting straight, that is one of the most important things in a meditation session, that your posture is good, so make sure your spine is straight, your head is facing forward, your chin slightly in, palms up, resting on your legs. If for some reason you can't sit down and be comfortable, then lie down, or whatever position you find most comfortable. Just make sure your spine is straight and that you're able to feel your breath pass through your body from the top to the bottom. Let's take some deep breaths together. Breathing in and breathing out. Now is the time to close your eyes. If you don't want to do this, lower your gaze, but I really strongly recommend that you close your eyes. Welcome to this safe space. I'm here with you meditating. You are not alone. In fact, I'm sure you don't feel alone. I'm sure you've got many thoughts circulating in your head right now, many memories. Acknowledge them, watch them like a television show. Sit and observe the inner workings of your mind. I'd like you to take some deep breaths as you watch the thoughts come and go. Just remember, these thoughts do not define you. These thoughts are separate to you. Take a deep breath, inhaling through the nose. Then exhale through the mouth, slowly and gently. Inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. You might want to try pursing your lips as you breathe out to help you do the slow exhales. Inhaling through the nose. What are you thinking about right now? Is this thought distressing? Why is it distressing? Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Do you think this thought is going to be plaguing your mind tomorrow or in a week's time? Let it go. Is it really worth stressing over? Is it really worth being distracted by this thought? Let go of that thought. Breathing in. Hold it for 2 seconds. Breathing out. Now let's take our focus elsewhere. Let's concentrate on the breath. When you breathe in, I want you to feel the air flow up to your upper chest, up through your neck, to the very top of your head. Feel the breath trickle out the top of your head, down your hair. When you breathe in the air, think of this as a fresh new start. You are cleansing yourself and your mind. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, and then breathe out for 4 seconds, and hold for 2 seconds. And repeat this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, breathe out. Seconds. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Now slowly, softly open your eyes. Hello. Make sure you carry this slow and relaxed pace throughout the rest of your day, or at least for the next hour. Take regular pauses. Notice the beautiful environment that you're in. Notice the sunlight poking in through the window. Notice your cleansing breath entering your body. And notice all the negativity that's cooked up in your body, leaving as you breathe out, as you exhale. Please subscribe. I plan on doing many more meditations to help you calm your mind. Also, please like this video and share, and please hit the bell notification button.